nandito ako ngayon guys sa yard ko kasi mag-update ako sa aking mga sitaw at saka ampalaya kung malalaki na ba sila. So kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Kami naman dito ay today is hot, is humid, but the sun is not out and a little breezy. So I would like to show you around what my garden look like now. Alright, I'll see you in my garden. So ito guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano na yung mga garden namin. Yung kumusta na sila, malalaki na sila guys. So wala lang talaga akong time mag-post sa mga ano ko kasi nagbabantay ako, I babysit my granddaughter. So I don't have time to post every week some video. So ngayon lang ako nagkapanahon kasi nandito na bumalik na yung mother-in-law ng anak ko. Kaya siya naman ngayon ang mag-visit the other day. So nagkakataon ako ng time mag-edit. At of course, busy rin ako sa aking reels sa Facebook. So if you wanna follow me, Testenko or Sanko Vlogger 213. Okay? So follow me over there in reels guys. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna show you my garden look like. Ito na siya guys. Dami ko nang na-harvest na strawberry. Marami kaming nagagamit. So we eat them every day. And also my blueberry is coming out. Some is ripening, some is not yet. So it's early yet. But that's our tomato look like. What you call this? Yan may ang tawag ng cucumber. Cucumber is have a lot of flowers and cucumber malapit na siyang ma-harvest. At saka yung tomato namin, ayan, malaki na siya, ang daming bunga nito. So, napakita ko sa inyo when it's inside before I even go to my sita. Over here we put a trellis here for our addition to our sitaws. Mayroon kaming ampalaya. Ampalaya yung at na flower na rin. I planted a lot but then fish a lot during the winter. So that is our sitaw. It look very healthy. So this is spinach that will be grown in our own unit. So we have weed growing because we didn't have really time to put the weed outside. We didn't have time to plant this because we didn't grow them. So using so a potato is right in here. That potato is really growing well. So pretty soon that is going to be harvested also. And this is our eggplant. Meron na kami eggplant. So far our okra is late grower for some reason. We never have luck with our okra. Okra yan. The eggplant meron na kami bunga. Meron na kami bunga. So we're not going to this year. But also we could also use some of them eggplant. Marami na akong ginagawa. At ang issue is a watermelon, some peppers, some bell peppers, and we have also we planted something else in there. So we have tomato. We have lots of flowers. Cherry tomato here. So, yeah, this is a new addition that we put in. So over here where my sita used to be planted, we turned this trellis this way. They used to be going that long way. My husband had to knock down the shed pretty soon, so we have our stuff in there just waiting for our dumpster. So this is our other sitaw and ampalaya here, and that one is what you call the pumpkin that we planted. So hopefully we only put one pumpkin this year, guys, because he is not planting anything in there. So ayan, this is our ampalaya that we grow inside our garden, inside the kitchen. So we have flower here early, and we're gonna have an ampalaya soon because we have like that one. Yeah, we're gonna have ampalaya here soon, and this thing coming up here. Guys have a lot of flowers on this ampalaya right here. Oh, it's very happy here inside. So hopefully, so this ampalaya is, and also we have planted the sitaw here. The sitaw in this side, and they are really growing well. And, this is sitaw here in this side. We have no flower yet, but they are growing up. So hopefully we have a good something eating on this leaves so that we don't have. My husband is putting some vegetable. So some of them is good, some of them is not. Yeah, so he always planted a lot. That way, if something not growing good, we have another one. So I will give you sure an update how we go. But this one is already coming up in the top. This is the one my husband grows inside the house, and we just planted it in here. So that's why they are taller than the one we planted for in there. We're gonna have, hopefully we're gonna have a lot of vegetable that we can fresh during the winter. So ayan guys. Okay. So ayan guys, sana maraming bunga ang aming sitaw, anong palaya. Pero here in this side, and hopefully that we can freeze them during the winter. Hopefully. So ayan guys, I will see you give you an update how they go on, because this is where we always have the sitaw here. We go up and cover all the trellis there. So alright, okay, I'll see you guys later and give you more update later how they go when they start having flowers and cover up the whole trellis. Please don't forget to hit the like button below, share and subscribe to my channel, Sangko213. Take care everyone and God bless. Please subscribe to this channel, Sangko213. Thank you for watching. Bye.